In this short tutorial, I will walk you through the process of switching accounts on the Threads app effortlessly. You'll discover how easy it is to add multiple accounts within the Threads app, allowing you swift access without any inconvenience. So make sure to watch this video until the very end to understand the tutorial properly. To get started, open up the Threads app and then tap on the profile button at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on these two lines at the top right corner of the screen. And then tap Logout. Tap Logout one more time to confirm it. Once you are on this page, you'll see the Switch Accounts option at the bottom. So go ahead and tap on it. If you already have multiple Instagram accounts, those will show up here, and you can simply tap on any of those accounts to log into Threads. If you can't see the account you are looking for, simply tap where it says log into another Instagram account, and then type in the username, email address, or mobile number, and then enter the password. After that, simply tap the login button. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.